After completing your package build in the wizard, you will arrive at the booking flow. The booking flow is where you review and finalize all the details of the package you have created. In this section, you can carefully check the booking summary, confirm the availability of each item, and make any adjustments needed before sending the quote to your customer or agent. Here, you also have the opportunity to select optional extras. These may include activities, services, or additional options offered by hotels. Let's choose an optional extra for the last day in Arusha. Once you expand the tab, you'll see a list of all the hotel options in the area. From there, just select your hotel and it will show you all the optional extras available. We'll go ahead and choose a lunch option for this example. Additionally, you can update key details such as the package name and the day-to-day descriptions. These descriptions are automatically generated using artificial intelligence, but you can customize them further to suit your client's needs.